Hi, the problem number 11. Determine the tensions in different parts of the string as shown in the figure. Also, find the value of W1 and W2 if the portion BC is horizontal. This is the given diagram. We need to find W1 and W2 value. Okay. Also, we need to find tension in different members. Different members are AB, BC and CD. So, TAB, then TBC, then TCD. So, if I write the pre-body diagram at B point, I will get only BABC. In order to get CD, I will write another pre-body diagram. So, it is a two pre-body diagram problem. Let us write the two pre-body diagram first. One is at B and another one is at C. So, at B, write a point, then write the connected lines, then this will be the weight, then direction, the weight acts vertically downwards. These two members are subjected to tension, so outside arrow, then values, it is W1 and this will be TBC, this will be TBA. So, then we need angles. For that, draw a plus mark at the point. Then here the BC member, the angle between BA and BC is 120. Total it is from here to here it is 120 degree. So, if it is 120, then remaining here is 180 minus 120, therefore 60, and this will be 90, this is also 90, and this will be the pre-body diagram at B point. Then we need to write pre-body diagram at C point. So, let us write the C point, then write the connected lines to the C point. So, then the direction, these members are subjected to the tension, so outside arrow, this is okay, and the weight, it is acting vertically downwards, so downwards. Then we have the magnitude, this is TCD, then this one is TCB, then this one is weight W2. Finally, we need angle. For that, draw a plus mark at the point. Then the angle between CB and CD is 135. So, write it from here to here it is 135 degree. Then the remaining is 180 minus 135, that is 45 degree. Okay. Then this will be 90. This is also 90 degree. This is the pre-body diagram at C point. Now, once we write the pre-body diagram, we need to choose which pre-body diagram we need to solve it first. Anta. How to choose? First, count the number of unknowns. And another one thing I forgot to tell you. In the given problem, the rope and pulley arrangement is provided. I think this concept I have explained earlier. Let us revise the things. If the rope and pulley arrangement is provided, then one end is connected to the point, another end is free, and the free end is subjected to some weight. Then this weight will be equal to this tension will be equal to this tension. The weight will be equal to the tension, and tension in one cable will be equal to tension in another cable. So, by using that principle, the tension in this cable will be equal to 4 kilonewton, this tension will be equal to this tension. So, indirectly this tension in the cable CD will be equal to the 4 kilonewton. We can write TCD is equal to 4 kilonewton. Okay. Now once we write the free body diagram, we need to choose the free body diagram to solve it first. For that, count the number of unknowns. Here we have TBA, TBC and W1. Totally there are 3 number of unknowns. Here we have TCB, W2, this one is known. So here we have only 2 unknowns. Now choose the free body diagram which has less number of unknowns. Now solve it first. Now choose the method. Which method? For that, count the number of forces 1, 2, 3. Count the number of unknowns 1, 2. So if there are 3 forces and 2 unknowns, we can make use of Lami's theorem. So by using Lami's theorem, write the Lami's equation, that is force divided by sine of the angle between other 2 forces. So TCB, first write the unknown forces, TCB divided by sine of, the other 2 forces are these 2, angle between them is 90 plus 45, that is 135. Next W2 divided by sine of, other 2 forces are TCB and TCD, angle between them is 135 degree. So next one is TCD, that is 4 kilonewton, 4 divided by sine of, the other 2 forces are TCB and W2, angle between them is 90. We have 3 parts. Out of 3 parts, we need to select any 2 parts so that we can get the out of 3 parts, we need to select any 2 parts in such a way that there should be only one unknown. We can select first part and the last part, and the second part and the last part. Since the denominator is same, we can write, let us write it, let us leave it, we will go with the regular procedure, take first part and the last part. Therefore TCB is equal to 4 divided by sine of 90 multiplied by sine of 135. So if we calculate, you are going to get it as which one it is? TCB. TCB you are going to get it as 2.828 kilonewton. Then like that, select the second part and the last part, you are going to get W2 is equal to 4 divided by sine of 90 multiplied by sine of 135. So you are going to get the same value, that is 2.828 kilonewton upon your calculation. Okay. Once we calculate this free body diagram, we will move on to this free body diagram. So now here TBC will be equal to TCB, BC will be equal to CB. So TCB we got it as 2.828, that will be equal to TBC 2.828. Now once we select the free body diagram, now choose the method. How to choose? First count the number of forces 1, 2, 3, count the number of unknowns 1, 2. So 3 forces, 2 unknowns, make use of Lami's theorem. So by using Lami's theorem, TBA divided by sine of the angle between other 2 forces, that is these 2 forces, angle between them is 90, then W1 divided by sine of angle between these 2 forces is 120 degree, therefore that is equal to TBC, that is 2.828 divided by sine of angle between these 2 forces is 90 plus 60, 150. Then we have 3 parts. Select 2 parts in such a way that there should be only one unknown. Select first part and the last part. You will get TBA is equal to 2.828 divided by sine of 150 multiplied by sine 90. So, you are going to get TBA as 5.656 kilonewton. Then select the second part and the last part. You will get W1 is equal to 2.828 divided by sine 150 multiplied by sine 120. So, you will get the value as 4.898 kilonewton. So, we got the value of TCB, then TBA, then from the problem itself we got TCD, tension in all the strings got over. Then we also calculated W1 and W2. So, that is all for this problem. Thank you.